What a hot day at TCIS. Welcome to the Wednesday show. I am In along with Pak-wan. And here are your weekly announcements for Wednesday, April 24th.
I hope you all have a great Songkran day. There will be a spring concert in 360 tomorrow in April 25th.
The high school student council election will be happening next week on April 26th. Hey Pak-wan, what do you think about this year's Songkran at TCIS?
That was so long ago, I kind of forgot. Let's pass to Amy and Manow for the recap of the event.
Songkran is the Thai New Year's national holiday. The festival is on April 13 to April 15. During Songkran, people splash water to wash away sins and bad luck. This year's Songkran festival at TCIS was hosted on Friday, April 5th. The TCIS Songkran festival has a full day of activities for everyone to enjoy. In the morning, there is an almsgiving ceremony for the 9 monks and Lot Nam Dam Hua, a ritual pouring of scented water over the palms of the teachers to pay respect and receive their blessings. We also enjoyed performances prepared by the students.
What do you think about this year's Songkran?
So far, the performances were great this morning. Shout out to Sam singing the One Direction song. That was definitely my favorite part.
So far I loved the performance from the primary students. That was awesome with the little red and yellow dresses. What do you like the most about this Songkran festival?
I like the dunk tank. We get to dunk Mr. Sharma first because he gives us a lot of homework.
Every year, the Thai department organizes a dance competition for high school students. The winners will show their performances to the whole school at the 5th floor gym.
คุณครูมีความคิดเห็นยังไงกับออดิชั่นปีนี้บ้างคะ
ออดิชั่นปีนี้ครูคิดว่าทุกกลุ่มตั้งใจทำมากได้ดูแล้วก็คือแฮปปี้มากใช่ก็ในฐานะกรรมการรู้สึกว่าตัดสินยากมากจริงๆแล้วก็กรรมการท่านอื่นด้วยนะคะก็คือพูดกันว่าโอ้ปีนี้แบบสูสีมากอะไรเงี้ยแล้วก็อยากให้ทุกกลุ่มได้ขึ้นไปโชว์ให้น้องๆได้ดูกันทั้งหมดเลยอะไรเงี้ย
How do you feel winning the first place?
So it was incredible, really. It was actually incredible.
We are currently at the soccer field where the elementary school students are splashing water. At the basketball court, there's a carnival booth, dunk tanks, and performances.
I'm Amy and I'm Manow, reporting for the news.
Oh, I remember it now. Yeah, I enjoyed that event.
It looks so fun. I'm really looking forward to next year's Songkran. Next up, let's pass to Wawa and I for a spotlight on a student that excels in many different ways. Today, we are featuring an outstanding student named Boeing, who excels in music, sports, and academic. Let's explore an inspiring story of this exceptional student.
Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Boeing. I'm a 10th grade student at TCIS. I've been playing the piano for around a decade, since I was 5 or 6. I was forced into it, but I started to enjoy it as I grew older and was able to play harder and more challenging songs that I like. Music just seems like a joy to me. Whether you're listening to it or you're playing it, it's a form of art, kind of makes you happy and relaxed.
Other than piano, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to go ice skating and I also play football. I like playing soccer or football because my friends play it and it's more fun when you have friends playing it with you. And it gives me an opportunity to showcase my athletic abilities. So say running really quickly or just shooting a ball. My most memorable goal would be against ASB during a tournament. And it was earlier this year. I was through on a one-on-one and I scored the golden goal, which gave our team a big morale boost for the next game.
Do you think there's any similarities between the hobbies you like soccer and piano?
They all require a certain artistic form. So say when you're playing the piano, you may have different dynamics or different speeds, different tempos to play at. While you're playing football or soccer, you have skills to try. You have different strategies such as maybe passing to a friend, maybe just ripping a shot right away, maybe doing some fancy dribbles and going through on goal. So the hobbies that I like seem to have a certain artistic style to it.
Boeing's story showed us what passion and hard work is, what a role model for the other students at the school.
I think that as long as you have passion for something, it can go well.
What an inspiration.
Totally.
The show will be paused for a commercial break.
High School Talent Show is coming up soon. If you are interested, you can scan this QR code to sign up. It will be hosted during late May after the AP exam.
Next, let's watch a PSA by Cherry before our entertainment game. Guys!
Hello? Do you want to go play four squares outside? Hello? Never mind. Hi guys. Hi. Can I join you guys?
Yeah, sure.
What are you guys talking about?
Movie night.
Yeah. I'm so excited.
Lastly, let's pass it on to Pupap and Cherry for our entertainment game.
I'm Cherry and welcome to today's entertainment segment. We're gonna play the What's in a Box challenge where contestants will guess what's inside the box. So the first round will start and you guys will have 10 seconds to guess what is inside the box. Guys can start.
Is it living?
Hair roller?
Oh, it's the hair roller.
It's the hair.
Is it like? Is it like?
Cactus.
Huh?
Is it like the thing for hair? I don't know what you call it.
Look at it.
Yeah. A plate?
Huh?
Smell it.
I can smell it. I don't smell anything.
Squeeze it.
What in the world is this? What is this actually?
Take a guess. Then.
Is it food? Spaghetti? Macaroni. Macaroni.
Oh, it's like a banana. It's like a crack-shaped banana.
take a guess what it is. You can smell it too.
Hand sanitizer.
Smell it and you'll know what it is.
Yes, it smells fruity. What? Like jam or something?
Close enough, but it's you guys can come look what is inside.
What the?
Okay, the third round starts. You guys can turn around. You guys can take a guess now.
Tissue. Wet tissue.
Wet tissue? Yeah, wet tissue. Wet my favorite.
Is this another tissue? Tissue. Tissue.
Stop squeezing it.
Jelly.
Correct.
Jelly. It's like a jelly option. Jelly.
Correct. It's jelly.
This will be our group last episode for WTV this year. Thank you for the support.
That's all announcement for today. If you have any more announcements, please submit them to the WTV Google form. That's all for today. Bye!